Hey everybody, Eric Niederlehner with Trusted Elder Law Minute, and today I want to take a minute and talk to you about Medicaid planning in the state of Florida and give you just the basic requirements to apply for Medicaid or long-term nursing home care in the state of Florida. One, you have to be a U.S. citizen. Two, you have to be a Florida resident. Three, you have to be 65 or older, or blind, or disabled. You have to be residing in a Medicaid facility, a long-term skilled nursing facility. Can't be there for rehab. You actually have to make that transition from short-term rehab to a long-term patient before we can actually file the Medicaid application. You have to pass a CARES evaluation, and that's the Department of Children and Family Services. Their medical staff comes in and evaluates you and sees if you can not perform 3 or more of the activities of daily living, like transferring from a chair to a standing position, feeding yourself, bathing yourself, those sorts of things. So can't do 3 or more of those, then you qualify for long-term care nursing home. You have to apply for all other benefits that you may be eligible for, like VA aid and attendance, or Social Security disability, or whatever other benefit that you may have to, or you may be entitled to. You have to at least apply for those benefits. Medicaid is the payer of last resort. You can't have more than $2,742 in gross monthly income. If you're over that amount, then there's some things that we can do to qualify you for passing the income test. And then finally, you can't have more than $2,000 in countable assets. What are countable assets? That's like cash in the bank, life insurance with cash value, those sorts of things. If you have more than $2,000 in countable assets, then you need to talk to an elder law attorney and do some Medicaid planning to get you below the income levels and the asset levels legally, without just giving away your money and saying, hey, I qualify. You can't do that. There's a 5-year look back period. So when you apply for Medicaid, they look back 5 years to see if you've made any gifts in the last 5 years. If you have, they add up the value of all the gifts or transfers that you made, and then divide by the average cost of a nursing home according to the state of Florida. And right now that's $10,809. Whatever that $10,809 divides into all the value of the gifts that you've given, that's the number of months that you have to pay out of pocket for the nursing home before Medicaid will kick in and start paying for the nursing home. So don't make any gifts. If you have, we can fix it. But you need to talk to an elder law attorney and do your planning now and get proper estate planning documents in place. So if and when the time comes that you need Medicaid and you don't have your faculties, we've got a good, durable power of attorney geared towards Medicaid, so we can do the necessary work that needs to be done to get countable assets out of your name and turn them into non-countable assets, or just get the money and assets out of your name legally so you qualify for Medicaid, and Medicaid can pay the nursing home bill, and your assets can be used to supplement what Medicaid doesn't pay. Or if you have a spouse that's not in a nursing home, they have money to live. So if you're concerned about long-term care, give us a call. We can be reached at 850-607-2222, or find us on the web at trustedelderlaw.com.